Today is the 26th of January 2021, which is a Tuesday, and the time right now is 10:11 p.m. Budapest time. And these are my results for the day with Mohini Trade, probably the strongest forex trading robot in the world. So let's jump right into it. You're looking at my day on the DAX 30 chart with the M5 zoom, which is a 5-minute zoom. My day began somewhere there at that little peak, and it started with a little drop, then a breakout real high, then a little correction, then some more breakout, and then a slightly bearish sideways action. That was not much of a day, really. I mean, there was some tradable areas, like this was very tradable, some of these corrections. And if you zoom in, that's when you can see that there was a lot of little tradable details there. And it was one of those medium days. And I hope I don't sound ungrateful, but you can get used to like good days so fast. And that's what I want to work on, because right now I feel like an ungrateful little bitch. Anyways, let's see my results for the day. You can see Mohini Trade was managing the positions even while I was asleep at 4:33 in the morning. Of course, it closed 5 of these positions from the 25th, which is yesterday. They were open positions which I dragged over to today. One of them was had a little loss. It's not a biggie. When I had a loss, or usually when I have losses, it means Mohini Trade kind of catches the turn a little bit late, or the upward or downward momentum. In this case, the downward momentum, the drop, because these are sell positions, the drops are not as long as Mohini Trade would like them to be, and they turn back up as soon as it tries to sell it. And sometimes it's just not fast enough, or you know how the market is. You can't always sell it for the exact same price, but that's why we have these little couple penny losses. Obviously, you can see that I'm scalping. I still have that strategy going. So don't expect very big profits. Even $2 are considered to be high. $3 are high. It's usually somewhere under $2, like $1, and even under $1. Like I call them penny profits, just because of the alliteration. And yeah, a little over $1, under $2. So it's a lot of scalping profits. With an occasional like 688. Now that's a big one, or $3, $2. So I have those, and believe it or not, the 0.4 lot. Now that's a $3.73 position. So nothing outstanding, nothing major. It was one of those mediocre days. Yeah, I'm grateful for the 6s, for the 5s, for the 4s, for the other 6s, for the other 4s, but nothing big like in the 10s or 20s, or not even in the 30s. And you can see I still scraped together. I always say I do it, although it was Mohini Trade. So Mohini Trade did scrape together $156.29 US dollars, and that's beautiful. And you know why it's beautiful? Because I didn't really have to do anything. It did it on its own accord, really. I mean, I did write the set, but you can have the same set and you can have the same results. It's that simple, almost copy and paste. Now let's see my open positions. And I have a few of them, but what I'm happy about, if you follow my videos, you remember that I had open positions dragging along for like days, technically like a week and a half at least. But as of today, I can proudly say that I have no longer positions from the past, but tomorrow all my open positions would be from today, from the 26th. So these are my open positions. You can see nothing really crazy, and the total of my open positions is $396.77, which is kind of healthy. I calculated these positions to be healthy between the range of 150 US dollars and somewhere between 550, 650 tops. But even if it goes up to 1,000, I'm not worried, because I have enough substance. I have enough capital at this point. Now let's take a look at my balance. It's $3,814.36. And my equity is $3,417.59. So that's pretty amazing to me. Now let's take a look at my MyFX book results. I'm just going to hit refresh to silence the doubters and the haters. Well, you can't really silence the haters. Haters gonna hate, and you know what they say, because I don't. Anyways, you can see these are real live results. That's my name with my daily Mohini trading, real USD trading, meaning that it's a live account, technical automated 1 to 500 leverage, MetaTrader 4, and of course his track record verified and track privileges verified. Now let's start with the gain. I love starting with these numbers. 267.18% gain. So it's a 267.18%. That's huge. My absolute gain is a little less due to a couple of circumstances. One of them is that I have some outstanding open positions, and I also have a withdrawal. So I started with $2,000, and Mohini Trade did produce. Oh, I had 30 days of trading. Now let me change the view to change. Yeah, you can see the actual percentage change. So today, the change in my wealth on Mohini Trade was 4.27%. So it traded 4.27%, which I think is awesome for one day. So let's get back to this. So I deposited $2,000 on the 2nd of December. And within 30 days, if you count, these are 30 bars. Within 30 days, 30 trading days, Mohini Trade generated or created a profit of $4,328.78. Now that is amazing, is it not, people? And that's not all my money. So the real story is my balance is $3,814.36 plus the amount I withdrew. So because I withdrew $2,500, which was my deposit, my initial capital of $2,000 plus $500 of monetary praise, I guess, because I think I deserve that extra $500. But I still have $3,800, a little over $3,800 that Mohini Trade can work with and generate even more money for me. Yeah, guys, long live greed. I fucking love greed. I love making money. Of course, I'm not like crazy. I'm trying to stay on the careful side, but I love looking at these results. Look at this. My monthly gain is 100.99%. So every month, Mohini Trade, according to these results, is capable of doubling my money. Do you understand? Every month, your money doubles. Actually, it more than doubles. 99.99%. That's like for ice cream if you want it, right? The drawdown is 24%, which is not so bad. Let me tell you, it's calculated though. But if it was under like 45, I think that would still be fine. But yeah, 24 is not that bad. And my daily percent is 2.39%, which doesn't sound so good seeing these numbers, but I believe it's because you divide the 100% by 30, I guess, or something like that. That's when you get a number like this, or 31. I don't know how many days, but yeah, technically that's how it calculates that number. So that kind of drives me crazy a little bit, pisses me off, honestly, because it's much more than that. Look at these. I had this fucked up day on December. You don't even see the bar. Let me go closer. You don't actually even see the bar. It's like a tiny little thing. That's my second shit day, third shit day, fourth shit day. Now, even those days were a lot better. No, it wasn't. I'm lying. So it was not even a percent. So yeah, I have like 4 shitty days. But come on, I had a day where I had a over 10.88%. Another day, almost 10% change. Another day, 8%. So how come it's 2.39? Maybe you shouldn't calculate with the weekend days. Anyways, I think I'm very happy and I'm grateful for what I have, and I'm very happy that Mohini Trade does this for me. If you like my results and if you want your own Mohini Trade, drop me a line. My email address is in the description box. I'll hook you up. It's completely doable for everybody. If I can do it, you can do it. That's the bottom line. I'm wishing you the safest of the nights, wonderful sleeps, and of course, high profits. Good night, everybody.